So this is example 2 on ellipse and example 3 on ellipse. See that find the eccentricity and the semi-letus of rectum of the curve. 4y squared plus 3x squared equals to 8. So we are going to say 3x squared solution. We are going to say 3x squared plus 4y squared equals to 8. So step 1. Step 1. Divide both sides by 8. So you are going to have 3x squared over 8 plus 4y squared over 8 equals to 8 over 8. So you are going to say 8 in 8 is 1, 4 in 8 is 2. So we are going to move further. So let's move up. So we are going to have 3x squared over 8 plus y squared over 2 equals to 1. So it's also the same thing as x squared over 8 over 3 plus y squared over 2 equals to 1. So our general formula for ellipse is going to be x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals to 1. This is the general formula. So anywhere we see our what? S square, anything under it is going to be a square. Anywhere we see y square, anything under it is going to be b square. So we are going to represent a square as 8 over 3, then b square as 2. So now the last say find the eccentricity. So formula for eccentricity is going to be, our eccentricity formula is going to be b square equals to a square open bracket 1 minus e square close bracket. Our eccentricity is e. So we are going to impute all these value we have here in this formula. So our b square is 2, while our a square is going to be 8 over 3 open bracket 1 minus e raised to power what? 2. So we can also what? Cross multiply. We can also cross multiply. We can also say cross multiply. So this will come like this. We are going to have 2 times 3 equals to 8 open bracket 1 minus e square e raised to power 2. So 6 equals to 8 over 1 minus e square. So we can also move forward. So we can break this down. 6 can go in 8. Something can go in 8, which is 2. So let's break it down. We can so 2 times 3 equals to 2 times 4 open bracket 1 minus e square. So this we cancel this. So we are going to have 3 equals to 4 open bracket 1 minus e raised to power 2. So let's move up. So we are going to open the bracket. We are going to open the bracket now. So we are going to have 3 equals to 4 times 1 is 4. Then 4 times minus e square is going to be what? Minus 4e square. So bringing this ordinary 4 to your left hand side, right hand side. Bringing this ordinary 4 to your left hand side is going to be 3 minus 4 equals to minus 4e square. Then 3 minus 4 is also what? Minus 1 equals to minus 4e square. Do you understand? So to make e the subject of the formula, to make e the subject of the formula, we are going to note, we are going to divide both sides by minus 4, so by minus 4. So we are going to have minus 4e square over minus 4 equals to minus 1 over minus 4. Minus 4 cancel minus 4. We are going to have e square equals to minus cancel minus. We are going to have 1 over 4. So ordinary e is going to be what? Square root of plus or minus 1 over what? 4. So you are going to have e equals to what? 1 over 2. Our eccentricity is also as what? 1 over 2. Our eccentricity is equals to what? 1 over 2. So in example 3, it says that find the equation of the tangent and normal to the ellipse. 2x square plus 9y square equals to 18 at s1, y1 equals to 4 over 3. So you said that find the equation of the tangent. Our equation of the tangent, the formula for equation of the tangent here is going to be formula for equation of the tangent is equals to x ordinary x1 over a square plus y over y1 over b square equals to 1. So we are going to say 2a square plus 9y square equals to 18. So divide. So divide both sides by 18. By 18. We are going to have 2x square over 2 times 9 plus 9y square over 9 over 2 times 9 equals to 18 over 18. 8 cancel 18 cancel 18. So we are going to have this cancel this and this cancel this. So what we have left is going to be x square over 9 plus y square over 2 equals to 1. So do we understand? So we are going to make use of this formula. So we have our a square, which is our 9. We have our b square, which is our 2. So, and we now have our x1, which is our one, our y12, which is our 4/5. So we are going to have 1, and y1 is equals to 4/5. So formula for tangent is going to be, open bracket, s1 over a square plus y1 over b square equals to 1. So do you understand? So we are going to equate this value in this equation, in this formula. So our y1 is what? 1 ordinary 1 is going to be what? 1 times x over our a1, 9, plus our 2 times y over what? 2 equals to 1. So we are going to say x over 9 plus 2y over 2 equals to 1. So let's solve. What is the right hand of these two is what? The right hand of these two is 18. The LCM of these two, 9 and 2, is what? 18. So we are going to say 18. 9 in 18 is 2. So 2 times x plus 2 in this is 9. 9 times 2y equals to 1. So we are going to have 2 times x is what? 2x, plus 9 times 2y is what? 18y equals to 1. 18y equals to y. So